Not every rider over 60 wants a giant touring motorcycle that feels like wrestling a refrigerator every time it leaves the garage. The good news? There are still fantastic motorcycles with smooth shaft drive, excellent comfort, and manageable weight that let you enjoy every mile without wearing you out. Today, we're counting down 6 of the best shaft-driven motorcycles that prove you don't need a heavyweight to have serious riding fun. BMW R 850R. The BMW R 850R deserves far more attention than it usually gets. Built around BMW's legendary boxer twin engine, this naked roadster offers exactly what many experienced riders appreciate most: simplicity, balance, and confidence. With a wet weight around 520 pounds, 236 kilograms, it's noticeably lighter than most full-size touring motorcycles while still feeling substantial and planted on the highway. The low center of gravity created by the horizontally opposed cylinders makes it feel even lighter once you're moving, which is something many riders over 60 immediately notice. Comfort is one of the R850R's greatest strengths. The upright seating position reduces pressure on your lower back, while the wide handlebars allow relaxed steering inputs instead of forcing you to lean heavily onto your wrists. The seat height is approachable for many riders, making parking lots and stoplights much less intimidating than on taller adventure bikes. After an hour or two in the saddle, your body still feels surprisingly fresh, and that's exactly the kind of comfort that keeps you riding longer. Its 848 cubic centimeter boxer engine isn't built to win drag races, but that's hardly the point. The motor produces smooth, predictable torque throughout the rev range, allowing effortless acceleration without constantly shifting gears. Combined with BMW's dependable shaft drive, maintenance stays refreshingly simple. No chain cleaning, no messy lubrication after every ride, and fewer chores between rides. That's more time riding and less time kneeling beside the motorcycle with a can of chain spray. Reliability is another reason these motorcycles have earned loyal followings. Many examples have crossed well over 100,000 miles with proper maintenance, proving that BMW's engineering wasn't just marketing. If your idea of a perfect weekend involves quiet country roads rather than racetrack lap times, the R850R quietly excels. But if you'd like something even lighter while keeping that same boxer personality, the next motorcycle might surprise you. Moto Guzzi 7 Stone. Few motorcycles have as much personality packed into such a manageable package as the Moto Guzzi 7 Stone. Weighing roughly 480 pounds, 218 kilograms, ready to ride, it immediately feels unintimidating, even before you start the engine. For riders who've reached the point where confidence matters more than outright horsepower, that's a wonderful combination. And yes, every V7 comes with the shaft drive that Moto Guzzi has proudly used for generations. The ergonomics feel almost tailor-made for relaxed riding. The seat is low enough for easy footing at traffic lights, the pegs are naturally positioned, and the bars fall comfortably into your hands without forcing awkward stretches. Whether you're cruising through town, taking scenic back roads, or spending several hours exploring countryside highways, the V7 rarely leaves you feeling stiff. Sometimes the best compliment you can give a motorcycle is simply forgetting about discomfort altogether. Its transverse 850 cubic centimeters V-twin delivers torque in a wonderfully relaxed fashion. There's a charming sideways rock when you blip the throttle, a little Moto Guzzi signature that never fails to make riders smile. The engine isn't aggressive or intimidating, but it provides enough power for confident highway passing while maintaining excellent fuel economy. The shaft drive adds another layer of convenience by eliminating routine chain maintenance, something many experienced riders appreciate more every year. Moto Guzzi has steadily improved reliability over recent generations, and today's V7 models are remarkably dependable while still retaining plenty of classic Italian character. It's one of those rare motorcycles that feels special every time you walk into the garage. But if you prefer a machine that's even smoother and almost impossible to upset on the road, the next motorcycle takes comfort to another level. Honda NT700V NT700V Deauville. Sometimes the perfect motorcycle isn't the flashiest one. It's simply the one that does everything exceptionally well. That's exactly the Honda NT700V Deauville. Often overlooked, this practical sport tourer weighs around 560 pounds, 254 kilograms. But thanks to its excellent balance and low seat, it feels considerably lighter once underway. Riders over 60 often discover that confidence comes more from balance than from numbers on a specification sheet. Honda designed the Deauville with everyday comfort in mind. The fairing provides impressive wind protection without creating excessive turbulence, making long highway rides noticeably less tiring. The seating position encourages an upright posture that reduces neck, shoulder, and wrist fatigue, while the integrated luggage means you don't have to wrestle with heavy backpacks or awkward luggage systems during weekend trips. The 680 cubic centimeters V-twin engine may not generate headline-grabbing horsepower figures, but it produces exactly the kind of smooth, usable power that real-world riding demands. The torque arrives early, throttle response is predictable, and highway cruising feels effortless. Combined with Honda's famously reliable shaft drive, the ownership experience becomes wonderfully uncomplicated. Fill it with fuel, perform scheduled maintenance, and simply enjoy riding. Perhaps the Deauville's greatest strength is its reputation for lasting virtually forever. Owners routinely rack up enormous mileage with minimal mechanical issues, which is exactly what many retired riders are looking for: a dependable partner instead of an expensive hobby. Still, if you're looking for something with a little more sporting personality while remaining surprisingly manageable, the next bike blends excitement with comfort beautifully. BMW R 1200R. Don't let the larger engine fool you. The BMW R 1200R is remarkably approachable. Thanks to the boxer engine's low center of gravity, this motorcycle often feels lighter than its approximately 510-pound, 231 kilograms wet weight suggests. Even experienced riders who thought they were finished with larger displacement motorcycles are often surprised by how easily the R 1200R handles parking lots, twisty roads, and everyday riding. Comfort was clearly one of BMW's priorities. The neutral riding position keeps your back straight, your knees relaxed, and your shoulders comfortable during long rides. Optional adjustable seats allow riders of different heights to find an ideal fit, while the suspension absorbs rough pavement without beating up your spine. Growing older doesn't mean you have to stop enjoying spirited rides. It just means comfort becomes part of performance. The liquid-cooled boxer engine produces generous torque from almost idle, making overtaking traffic feel effortless without requiring frantic downshifts. Power delivery is smooth, refined, and incredibly predictable, giving riders confidence in every situation. The shaft drive operates almost invisibly, quietly doing its job while eliminating chain maintenance entirely, a feature many long-distance riders quickly learn to love. BMW's engineering continues to shine in the R 1200R, offering advanced safety systems, excellent braking performance, and long-distance durability. It's one of those motorcycles that somehow feels equally happy commuting through town or crossing multiple states in a single weekend. Yet, believe it or not, our next motorcycle delivers similar comfort with a completely different personality and a surprisingly affordable ownership experience. Moto Guzzi Breva 750. The Moto Guzzi Breva 750 is one of motorcycling's best-kept secrets. Weighing only about 450 pounds, 204 kilograms, it's among the lightest shaft-driven motorcycles ever designed for comfortable everyday riding. For riders over 60 who dislike wrestling heavy machines in parking lots or garages, the Breva feels refreshingly manageable without sacrificing highway capability. Everything about the ergonomics encourages relaxed riding. The seat height is welcoming, the handlebars naturally fall into place, and the overall riding triangle keeps fatigue to a minimum. It's the kind of motorcycle that quietly disappears beneath you, allowing you to focus on enjoying the scenery instead of constantly adjusting your seating position or stretching sore muscles every fuel stop. Its air-cooled V-twin won't overwhelm anyone with horsepower, but it offers charming character and dependable low-end torque that's perfect for real-world riding. The transmission pairs beautifully with Moto Guzzi's shaft drive, creating a smooth, low-maintenance ownership experience. Many riders eventually discover they spend more time smiling than checking performance specifications, and that's probably the point. The Breva also enjoys a reputation for mechanical simplicity, making routine maintenance straightforward and affordable. It's proof that you don't need cutting-edge electronics to create an enjoyable motorcycle. But if you're wondering which shaft-driven motorcycle combines the easiest handling with legendary reliability better than almost anything else, our number one pick has earned its reputation over decades. BMW R 1150R. Taking the top spot is the BMW R 1150R, a motorcycle that continues to win over riders decades after its introduction. Weighing around 530 pounds, 240 kilograms, it never feels cumbersome thanks to its perfectly balanced boxer layout. Riders over 60 frequently describe it as one of the easiest larger motorcycles they've ever owned, because the weight seems to disappear as soon as the wheels start turning. Comfort is where the R 1150R truly shines. The upright seating position reduces fatigue during long rides, while the broad seat provides excellent support for hours in the saddle. Wide handlebars make low-speed maneuvers surprisingly easy, and the suspension handles rough pavement with impressive composure. Whether you're taking a quick afternoon ride or spending the entire day exploring back roads, this BMW encourages you to keep going just a little farther. The 1,130 cubic centimeter boxer engine delivers strong, usable torque across the rev range, making acceleration smooth rather than intimidating. Highway passing requires little effort, yet the power remains predictable enough to inspire confidence in every situation. The shaft drive is nearly maintenance-free and contributes to the refined riding experience by delivering power smoothly without the constant attention chains require. Perhaps the greatest compliment to the R1150R is the incredible loyalty of its owners. Many refuse to sell them even after buying newer motorcycles because the combination of comfort, reliability, practicality, and engaging character is difficult to replace. It's proof that growing older doesn't mean giving up motorcycling. It simply means choosing a motorcycle that works with you instead of against you. And honestly, your back, your knees, and probably your garage floor will all appreciate not having chain lube everywhere. So, which of these comfortable shaft-driven motorcycles would you choose for your next adventure? Have you owned one of these bikes, or is there another shaft-driven favorite that deserves a spot on this list? Share your experience in the comments. We always enjoy hearing from riders who've put serious miles on these machines. If you enjoyed this countdown and you're looking for more motorcycles that are comfortable, reliable, and perfect for experienced riders, make sure to watch the next video on the channel, where we cover another collection of motorcycles that make long-distance riding easier and more enjoyable without sacrificing fun. Thanks for watching, ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.